everyone, it's Jolena from AlgosOne. Are you also one of those investors who are thinking about stepping into cryptocurrencies in 2025? If your answer is a big yes, then we welcome you to join the rapidly growing number of investors who see cryptocurrencies as an attractive form of investment. However, here comes the tricky part. Due to consistent boom and bust cycles in cryptocurrencies, they're extremely risky. And because of this, losing your entire capital is a very real possibility. So, to overcome these challenges, we'll guide you with some risk management strategies that you can use. And if that seems too much for you, then don't worry. We've also got that covered for you. Because in the end, we'll be discussing AlgosOne, a trade automation bot that makes your investing journey not only more rewarding, but also hassle-free. If you're ready to take the first step toward financial freedom through crypto in 2025, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, drop your questions or experiences in the comments, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest crypto strategies. As you would for any form of investment, understanding and conducting due diligence on what you're investing in is vital. Before investing in cryptocurrencies, it's important to understand what cryptocurrencies are and why there are so many of them in the market right now. To put it simply, cryptocurrencies are digital currencies that run on a blockchain. Their digital nature means they only exist on the internet and use cryptographic techniques to secure transactions. So why invest in cryptocurrency? Investing in cryptocurrencies can be rewarding because of the following reasons. First up, high growth potential. Cryptocurrencies offer high growth potential because of their technology and an evolving marketplace. Number two, portfolio diversification. By investing in cryptocurrencies, you reduce reliance on traditional assets. Number three, hedge against inflation. Investment in cryptocurrencies offers a hedge against inflation by protecting your capital from devaluation. Some cryptocurrencies have given exceptional returns and still continue to do so, while others have completely disappeared. Finding the right cryptocurrency to buy is one of the most important things for any investor. Here's how you can evaluate a cryptocurrency properly. First up, market cap. The greater the market cap of a crypto project, the higher the chances for the project to be potentially successful and worth investing in. This is because the market cap shows the total money in that particular crypto project. Moreover, the higher market cap also means the price is less volatile and the cryptocurrency is popular. Next up, project and team. Conducting due diligence on a particular cryptocurrency you're about to invest in is also important. To successfully do this, it's important to look at things like what the project aims to solve, how it's governed, its tokenomics, and who the team behind that project is. Reading a project's white paper will help answer most of the questions. If the project offers a solution to an existing issue and the team behind it is full of professionals, then the chances are that that project will do extremely well in the long run. And number three, understanding market metrics. Going through the previous price performance will help you understand how the price has performed historically, what kind of highs and lows it has made, and what type of market factors affect its price performance. Number four, regulation. Lastly, it's necessary to research the regulatory landscape of that particular cryptocurrency and see from which part of the world the cryptocurrency operates or has its headquarters. Due to cryptocurrency's decentralized nature, it becomes your responsibility to protect them. Basically, you're your own bank. Ensuring your cryptocurrencies are safe can be done through the help of a crypto cold wallet, which secures your private keys in a decentralized manner. While cold wallets are less convenient since they're hardware-based wallets, they can provide substantially higher protection and are intended for long-term crypto storage. Because of the highly volatile nature of cryptocurrencies, you must ensure you do not invest more than you can afford to lose. Despite being here for over a decade, cryptocurrencies are still considered speculative assets, making them extremely risky. Let's be honest, no matter how much due diligence you do and what risk management strategy you may use, investing in cryptocurrencies doesn't come without risks. This is where AlgosOne comes in. It's a cutting-edge AI-powered trading automation bot that successfully invests in cryptocurrencies without any human intervention. The trading bot utilizes advanced algorithms and machine learning technology to analyze millions of data points, helping to invest in cryptocurrencies with higher returns. Here is how AlgosOne will grow your portfolio by investing in cryptocurrencies in 2025. First up, data analysis. AlgosOne scans the market 24/7. It tracks price movements, whale activity, news, and social media sentiment, all of which help the trading bot decide which cryptocurrency to invest in, giving a maximum return. Secondly, risk management. After finding a potential cryptocurrency to invest in, AlgosOne recognizes where to place a take profit and stop loss order. It also analyzes if 5% of a user's portfolio should be invested, or a maximum of 10% in that specific cryptocurrency. By not investing the entirety of a user's portfolio, AlgosOne's bot ensures the user doesn't lose their entire capital. This is why, to date, no AlgosOne user has lost their principal capital. To conclude, while rewarding, cryptocurrencies are highly speculative, which brings risks. To successfully invest in cryptocurrencies, it starts with preparation, which includes choosing the right cryptocurrency to invest in and opting for a cold wallet for enhanced security. However, with AlgosOne, you don't have to worry about anything, as it does all of the hard work for you and gives you guaranteed returns. So there you have it. If you're ready to invest in cryptocurrencies in 2025 with AlgosOne, click the link in the description and start earning profits today.
The AI revolution is here. Don't miss out. Join now.